Here is one of the most famous elevators on my channel. Oh my god, they modernized it. This is McDonald's in Las Vegas on the Strip. This is a KONE with 220 fixtures, but looks like it got modded, either that or just a replaced call station. If I remember correctly, someone filmed it recently and the call station down here was broken, so. Oh, here it is. Maybe. Is it leveling? Fuck! Oh my god, no fucking way. No fucking way. Look at this bullshit. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is fucking hilarious. What the hell? There's no Oh my god. Look at that. Fucking way. Oh my god. And it takes forever to level. Hey, they filled those in with lanterns. I just love that rope up there holding the panel on.